This video will show you how to use Fastcase 7 to pull up a case using its citation. When doing research, you may see that cases are identified by a citation that looks like this: 555 SW 3D 760. This citation is made up of 3 pieces of information to help researchers locate it in print. First is the volume number. This refers to the volume of the print edition that this case appears in. Next is the abbreviation for the case law reporter. This is the name of the resource that this case appears in. In this case, the abbreviation SW3D stands for the Southwestern Reporter 3rd. The final piece is the page number. This is the page number of the print edition that this case or section begins on. While this citation format was originally developed to help people find cases in print material, it is still used by online case law databases such as Fastcase. You can pull up a case instantly in Fastcase using just this citation. All you need to do is enter this citation into the Fastcase search bar. It will identify the relevant case and bring it up for you to review.